Hi, I'm here to talk to you today about the 333 origami papers. This one is AstroMagic, and I am going to show you how to make a couple origami projects from this. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to make one of the stars that was a little tricky for me, and so I had to practice it a few times, so I'm going to show it to you. The first star that we're going to be making is this one right here. And then the second one we're going to be making is ginormous and super cool, and it's this one right here. So I'm going to show you how to make the first one. And this one, it's a really pretty little star, but there's a tricky point where it gets a little confusing in the instructions. And so we wanted to make sure that you had a video. I'm sure for people who are consummate origami professionals, it won't be hard for you. But for me, being an origami novice, I got really confused. So we're folding across in half, and half, and in half again. So we basically fold to every point. So we've got this done. Now we're going to open it up. We're going to take this little piece and we're going to fold it up here to the center. We're going to line that up perfectly. There we go. And then we're going to take this piece, and this is where it got a little confusing for me. And we're going to take this piece and we're going to come to right in this corner. And you're wondering, why am I doing this? Because it didn't make any sense to me. But then after I made it, I got it. So now I've got my little corner fold here. So now I'm going to open it up, I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to fold it in half again. So now I have a little square. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it like that. So I have a little fold there, and then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to push this one in. Oops, it's doing the exact same thing. Okay, and there we go. Apparently my corners aren't as crisp as they could be, and I'm going to fold it like that. Now I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to fold it down right here, and I want to make sure it has a really good point up there. And I'm going to push down, and then I'm going to fold it right there like that. I'm going to turn it over again. I'm going to do the same thing here on this side. I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to have the bottom line up with the top. Whoops. Like that. I did something wrong here. Yep, I went too far. So that's a nice thing about this origami paper, is it's very forgiving. So I can go back and I can redo it. So now I've got my 2 points. This was the last one I did, and this is the tricky part. You grab this piece right here and you pull this over like that. And now it looks, I think it looks sort of like a moth. So then, to make the star, you flip it over again, and then you fold it over and you take this piece and you fold it like that. That one's sticking out a little too much, so there we go. And it's tricky getting the arms exactly as you want them. So you want this arm to come out but not stick out too far. And then you're going to do the same with this one. Now you've got this arm sticking out like that. And then you push it all down and you turn it over, and there's your star. And then you glue it shut. So I would just put a little dab of glue stick on it right here. Whoops. Right there to get that part to stay down. Right here to get that part to stay down. And then you've got your star right there. And it took me a couple tries, but once I figured it out, it got pretty easy. So that's one of the stars I want to show you. The other star is this great big star. And I was thinking this would be so cool to hang from a ceiling or put up on a wall. So there's one of them. And then here's another. And one of the things I love about this book is, if you bought our first Alcohol Inks design book of origami paper, this has the alcohol ink designs in it as well. It has a lot of other gorgeous designs, but it does have a lot of the alcohol ink designs. So this is one example of the star I made, and this is the front, and here's the back. And then this is the other one. So I'm going to show you how I do this. This takes 8 pieces of paper. So I'm going to grab, let's see, I like these here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to pull those 4 out. And then I'm going to go for something that's quite a bit of a contrast to that. And go with something maybe with these. Do I like this? Oh, I like these. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to pull those 4 out. There we go. And I am going to go ahead and just set this aside right here. So then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to fold it in half like this. So I want my points to line up nice and crisp. And then I am going to fold this piece like this. So it's like it's making a cone. And then you come to this point right here. So I've got this piece here, and then I'm going to fold this piece right there like that so that it lines up really nice and tight. I'm going to fold that crease, and then I'm going to fold that crease, and I'm going to do it 3 more times. So now we've got our 4 pieces, and then we're going to do the other 4. So now what I'm going to do is start gluing my star together. So I'm just going to put glue in the corner like this, and then I'm going to overlap each of the pieces. So once you do one, you get a pretty good idea of where the glue goes. And you just get some glue stick on there, put it down, and then there's a little trick to doing the last one. So let me just show you how that goes. And you just want to make sure that you're lining up the centers along the line. So you want to get the center piece, and then you want to make sure that you just keep going along the same line that's right here in the middle. So then the next thing I do is I'm going to put glue here, because this is going to go on top right there. And I'm going to put glue here because I'm going to tuck this corner underneath like so. And now, and then what I would do is press it underneath something. Let me just get it to lay, there we go, get to lay a little bit flatter. And there's your star. And it's so fast and it's so easy and it's a fun thing. And if you flip it over, you can see how your folds work and how it all works together on the back. So that is our AstroMagic origami book. There are 333 sheets of paper in there, which means you've got 333 times to have a lot of fun with this book of origami papers. Thank you so much for watching.